I've got camera, we're recording, that's all.
Hello.
I'm going to come down about your jump.
We were all really scared, so we haven't listened to it back. But
Right.
we heard a bang and we've heard a tap.
And
And the
you started
tapping,
off straight away.
the tapping is coming from over there.
Behind there?
Yeah, that's where the red pod is now. So
Yeah,
Right.
tapping. Can we listen? Oh, we can't listen back to it. We haven't got speaker.
No.
can listen back on this.
Just some more. Yeah, you're right, try some more, because we've got guys. Camera's not been filming, camera's not working, my band's camera, so we've got yours to put your new battery in it.
Oh, thank you.
Right, I think we should go where that is
Yeah. Go back.
and do it from there.
Okay.
Right.
Like here. Here. Ready?
So is this where the bang was?
So, I'll see.
So this one were down there.
So what about the recording from what we just done? So if we start recording now,
Yeah, start recording. I'm just recording now. Yeah.
I mean on here, 'cause it's just going to wipe what was before, isn't it? Or
No, you press stop.
yeah.
Yeah, and you just press record. It does another one.
Okay.
Can I, am I right to sit on here?
Yeah, yeah.
Just put like that so I can see you. Oh, that's me. It's all right. Go on, you're all right.
Has that aerial just dropped down?
Yeah, it does do. It's a bit. We've hammered it. Yeah.
Is there anybody here that wants to make a noise so we know that you're with us? Because we heard a tapping earlier. Can you tap again? Thank you.
I
We
heard that. I heard that from here.
Could you really make a loud noise over here for us so we can hear you?
Are you near the fireplace?
Really sorry.
You're feeding. If you hear what we're doing, if you don't know, it might look a bit strange to you. You obviously know the two guys there. We've got my name's Paul and we've got Adrian here. We're not here to harm you. But what we're doing, we're just trying to capture your voices. So these little gadgets we're putting out are not harming you at all. That little gadget we've got on the floor there, that little silver box, is just so we can hear you speak. We can't hear you speak without that box. So we just wonder if you could make any kind of noise or say your name into that little box for us. It'd be absolutely brilliant.
Can you make a tapping noise again to show that you're still here?
That would be on you, weren't it?
That's my belly.
Was it all about that? Right. I thought, oh,
Sorry.
we've got a demon coming through.
So we're going to move this and the REM pod to the fireplace again. Can you come near the REM pod and show us that you're still here? Should we move the REM pod?
Yeah. I'll film and you're right. Go on.
Sit down with me. Oh, I'm scared. It's going to be okay.
Okay.
Right.
So when I sit at my desk and I keep on seeing something walk past, is that you?
I don't know this place too much. Do you want to tell me something about it so I know?
Do you walk up and down this corridor?
Do you spook everybody about? Like scare them?
Can you make that tapping noise again? I don't don't feel anything here.
No.
But I've got an urge just to put it in there
Do
now.
wherever you want to do it, just
Sorry.
put it in. Yeah, no.
Follow me. Can we move that
Yeah, keep moving it around.
here? Because this is where people see things.
Do you know what? Actually, walking past this,
Yeah.
every time I feel like something's there. Every
Yeah.
time I walk past it, I feel like somebody stood
If
there.
we put that there and sit here, it won't pick it up, will it?
No.
Nathan,
Yeah, 2 minutes. I'm just running tops of the box. Are you recording? Well,
Yeah, I'm recording,
That's what
yeah.
we see. I don't know if it's fake or not though. A bit weird one.
I'll have a look in a minute. I'll have a look in a minute. I'll have a look in a
Nathan, sit
minute.
down. You sit there,
That's
Nathan.
why it's all separate rooms, aren't they?
Yeah. You ready?
Dad, or you just gone past it?
Yeah, just come here. Yeah.
Sit down.
I'm sitting there.
Right. Is there a little boy here that comes out and sees us all?
I've just seen something. What? And then there was. Did you hear that?
Ah, yeah, I heard that.
It's like somebody. I don't know. Is that chair making noise?
No,
Playing hide
we
and
haven't been
seek.
sat on the chair.
So I just see something out the corner of your eye. Then it went. Tsh. Oh, keep asking that.
Was that you just making that noise then? Can you do it again for us?
Sorry. No.
Come here, there's no to let you. No to let you.
But that sounded like scratching then.
Yeah, it's
We're on there. So what did you hear?
I had scratching like,
Right behind me.
yeah.
Don't be. You know, more yak like that.
Sorry.
The more it'll play with you. It'll
Right, it's a good thing,
get.
that.
But it's a good thing. What? Who's in here with us? If you want to do something, you can do something to me and Adrian. Nobody else. Are you mad that we're here? If you don't want us to be here, can you do something loud or frightening to make us go?
Do you want me to sit there again? Because it did it there, didn't
Yeah, because it kind of
Right,
wanted to
Just,
speak out.
just turn that EVP off. So where did you wait?
Yeah.
Kate, do you hear?
Yeah.
Yeah, she jumped up. That's why I jumped
I'm
up.
going to say we're not
sorry,
sure going. I thought you were.
That's why I had to go. That's why I had to go.
Come here, here.
Can you play that last one we had?
I will play it. Yeah, I'll play it. We'll sit down there. I'll
Did
play
everyone else hear that?
Yeah.
it. I heard.
Move that as close to us as we can
Yeah.
without it
You
going
see, I heard. I will concentrate on down there because I seem from down there. I heard.
And then there was
Crete,
a
and then you,
clicking.
then you
Yeah.
I've heard like scratching though.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a
on this wall.
Yeah.
On a wall. Yeah, but this
Like
is
that. No, I thought it was like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Should we record again? Okay. Is that them walking up?
No, no,
No,
Okay.
So we've all heard that as well.
that's
Is that
good.
them walking?
Right.
That's what we need. That's
Ready?
what we need.
Yeah. So you frightened me a bit then, but can you come back and use this REM pod that's in front of me and show me that you're here, please? Get as close to it as you can and make it light up.
Right, you come and sit with us. Yeah, there's a space there for you. Come and talk to us.
Was that when I'm moving?
I think it's one of them, that one.
Yeah.
Do you like us being here? Here's a tap.
That's
Probably them
how
down
it
there.
is then. Should send them up to the top.
Yeah.
Send them away. Up to the top.
Out of the building.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us what your name is?
Is it Tony?
Or is it John? I think that's them banging.
Yeah, it is.
Anything from this end.
Yeah,
Anything from
a
that
small
end.
Tap over
Yeah.
here now, then. It was on
Did
this
you?
on this wall here. Right, pressing the tap on there. Can you tap on this for us?
Can you make one more loud noise to show us that you're here?
There's nothing in there.
No.
Don't you want to tell us who you are? Do you like us being here?
There's a weird like whoosh noise, isn't it?
Yeah, like a.
Like a wave.
Yeah, I'll stop that. 'Cause
Yeah, let me just.
If there's anybody here, could you give us a sign, please?
Can you make a noise or anything? Show us you're here. So you keep walking past us and tricking us?
You just made some scratches down here a minute ago. Can you do it again for us? My name's Adrian.
Could you tap on something for us or scratch on the walls again?
Did you just scare Katie?
Concentrate, like
Do what?
I say, we're new to this bit of stuff, so if you want to ask a question, like, can you done a draw?
I'm just filming on that bit there. They can cut bits out.
Is there anybody here with us? Let's move.
Is it moving? Just make sure your fingers are really light.
Yeah,
really
it's not-
light on it.
Hang on, we might be pressing down too hard.
Don't put, just got to rest your finger on it.
Do you want to tell us who you are? That moved.
That's moved.
Do you need to tell us what your name is? I don't think there is anything.
Can you affect them in some ways of making this move around? It's easy.
You really don't like us, do you?
Sorry?
You want them to affect us. I'm affected.
You're affected. This is your place, or is it their place? Let us know.
Is it moving at all? Is it feeling?
No.
Nothing.
We've tried it a few times. It's moved a couple of times, hasn't it? I'll try some. Let me just.